So here is how to block spam calls on iPhone. There are two different ways you can do this. For the first one, let's open up the Settings application on the phone. Once you're in the Settings app, you need to scroll down and find the Apps option, which is usually in the very bottom. Then once you're in the App section, you need to search and select the Phone option. So let's tap on Phone. After that, scroll down and search for the option that says Silence Unknown Callers. Once you find it, toggle it on. After that, all the unknown calls will be silenced. Another way is by opening the phone app. After that, go over to Recents or Contacts if it's saved. For now, I will go to Recents. After that, for the spam call, you just need to tap on the eye icon beside the number. So tap on it and you will get to this page. Once you're here, just scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Block Contact. Then select Block Contact from the pop-up and the number will be blocked. And that's it. That is exactly how to block spam calls on iPhone.